All right, wheel number 2 on the Volvo. It's going to be here, a little bit on the spoke here, and a little bit more down here that's off camera. This one's, it's deep enough I could grind it, but I'm just going to use the 320 and 800 on this. Get some of this tire shine off the tire so the dust doesn't stick. Get the bottom. Problem with doing these after they put the tire shine on is it gets on the wheel too, and then your sandpaper clogs up. I'm going to switch sanding discs real quick. While I'm doing this, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, maybe checking out the links in the description for the products and tools I use to repair wheels. Get this finished up. Get this spoke down here and this last edge. Alright, then we'll go to the 800 to finish it up. With the 800, we're just trying to get out the scratch marks from the 320. We're not reshaping the wheel at all anymore. Alright, then we'll switch up to the 1500 grit scuff pad. Go over everywhere I just sanded. And then take the surface prep spray again and clean up these brake lines. And it's ready for clear coat.